Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the latest musical instrument that has just been added to Annie's store in Heartopia. So right now it is daytime, so she is underwater, but if you are trying to find her at night, I believe she's like around the Whale Mountain area here near Kaching. So let's talk to Annie. Go to store, music store, and if you scroll down, this is the new instrument that has just been added. It costs around 195,000 gold coins. I am going to purchase it and lose a lot of money, but that's fine because I just grinded for it. So I'm just gonna buy it. And I'm just going to go to land and show you guys what it sounds like. Okay, so I think I'm just going to put it outside my house right now, and this is what the harp looks like, and I'm just going to stop talking so I can show you guys what it sounds like. And that is what it sounds like. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!